and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make Turkish beef Borek. It's filo pastry filled with minced meat filling. The filling is super easy to make and very delicious. As usual, the written recipe with all the ingredients and the measurements will be listed down below the video in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, and press on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now to make the filling, I'm going to need some minced meat. Also, I'm going to need some chopped onions, some olive oil, and some spices. So the pot here is on medium to high heat, and once the oil gets to the right temperature, I added the onions. I let them saute for a few minutes until they start to develop some color and cook down a little bit. You can also add a pinch of salt to help them cook down. After that, I'm going to add the minced meat. And using my wooden spoon, I'm going to break it into small pieces, just like so. Let it cook for a few minutes. After that, I'm going to start to add the spices. So along with the salt, I added some paprika, cumin, and some cinnamon. Give everything a good stir and let it cook for more few minutes. And you're done with the beef. Now the final step for the filling, I'm gonna add some boiled potatoes. I cut them into very small cubes. And I'm gonna mix everything together. And with that, your beef filling is ready. Now I'm gonna make an egg wash. For that, I'm gonna need an egg, yogurt, and some olive oil. So as you saw here, I beat the egg slightly. Then I'm gonna add the yogurt and the olive oil. And then I'm going to mix everything together until all these ingredients are well combined. And the egg wash is ready. Now for the dough, I'm going to use some store-bought filo pastry, of course. Make sure to work one at a time, and the other layers, keep them covered so that they don't get dry. So for the first sheet here, I'm brushing it slightly with some egg wash. I'm going to brush all the top. Then I'm going to start to add the filling on the longer side. So that's perfect. Now I'm gonna start rolling it, just like so, until I reach the end. Now once I have a long log, I'm gonna roll it until I have a spiral shape, just like so. And then I'm gonna put it in the middle of a buttered baking dish. And I'm going to repeat the process until I finish all of the filling. Now this time, the second log, I'm going to roll it around the first one, as you can see here. So that's it, it's very simple, and repeat the same thing with the other logs. Finally, I'm going to brush some egg wash over the top. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now at this point, make sure that your oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 180 Celsius. Then I'm gonna bake it for about 30 minutes or until it's golden brown and has a crunchy top. And it should be looking like that. It looks really good and delicious. The interior of the dough is really soft and tender with the potatoes and the meat filling. I like to squeeze some lemon juice over the top before serving. And here you have it, it's ready to be served. It was super easy to make, as you saw, but it was really good and delicious. Give it a try, I'm sure that you will love it. So my lovelies, that was it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found this recipe easy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Bye!